Bayambang, a piece from the coastal province of Pangasinan, a 15 minutes drive from the city of Dagupan and half an hour tour from the province of Tarlac. It has a fair climate, nourishing much of the town's landscape, where most Bayambagueños make a living from farming, freshwater fishing, authentic food delicacy, and traditional handicrafts. Today, the wind carries a sound of celebration, which is more of the traditional thanksgiving to the patron saint, Saint Vincent Ferrer. This year's festival is a season of unity and progress, reveling beauty, colors, entertainment, culture, and food. The parade of the most beautiful lass, all competing for the title of Mutya ng Bayambang, signals the highlight of a week and a day fiesta.
Ito po ay binuo namin, kasama ko po ang mga asawa ng ating mga opisyal ng bayan para po i-promote sa ating mga kabataan ang importansya po ng labor, ng camaraderie at saka ng cooperation. Nandyan din po na layunin ng committee na ito na hubugin ang kanilang mga natatagong talento. Natulungan sila, we are going to help them to boost their confidence, to conquer their weaknesses and insecurities, and in totality, to improve their personality.
A night of beauty, brain, and wittiness dressed a summer night with excitement.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, feeling like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feeling like a catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Fun and laughter.
In your own opinion, what is the biggest problem being faced by our educational system today? Why?
I think the biggest problem is lack of funds because many politicians are corrupt now. Because many politicians are corrupt now. Because many politicians are corrupt now.
We request our audience to please remain silent.
The glittering night splendid with sweet smile, sash, flowers, and the much-awaited title ends tonight.
To flame. So bright she can burn your eyes. Better look the other way.
Another highlight shows the agricultural richness of the town, complemented by contrasting hues of colors, of hundreds of farmers in wide array of unparalleled onions, corns, variety of vegetables and fruits, led by a unique float out of the traditional handicraft like these Bahay Kubo. Being a farmer himself, the mayor traditionally leads this farmers' float parade annually, showcasing more of what the agri and aquaculture products Bayambang has to offer. It has been the local government's goal to make sure that farmers' welfare were among the priorities of the government. And this gathering is a proof of their unity. Following the parade is a showdown of the province's best drum and bugle corps, which completes the program of the day, inspiring each set of pictorials in each float, which calls for a fresh fruit burst. A unique display of unity among 77 villages officials gathered in a night, to celebrate oneness.
Oo, yung unity, tapos cooperation, tapos nagkakaisa sila kasi yung mayor and the kagawad are really working hard to have unity in Bayambang.
Lahat ng barangay ay nakiki-operate sa Malangsi Festival dahil sa pamumuno ni Mayor Ricardo Camacho.
Talagang Jat Bayambang nagsakay kami ulupan na talaga. Sa Bayambang walay pangkakasakay na samahan anong laad politika.
Oh, maganda ang samahan dito.
Dance, program, and party for the whole night. With all the sectors event each day and each night, the Malangsi Festival Day is the undisputedly much awaited day of the fiesta. The name of the festival is derived from the Pangasinan word Malangsi, the local term used to refer to various species of freshwater fishes abundant in the town, mainly from the Mangabul Lake. Colorful costumes matched with dramatic and symbolic images fill the hearts of thousands of spectators, local tourists, and foreigners. Each color is accentuated with glittering fishes dancing at the heart of the town, with baskets of different sizes and magnitude of colors, topped with uniquely designed bigao, and undeniably match the drum beat with heart-pounding dance moves. Wrapped with artistic textures, face paints, and hair colors. Each set of performance have displayed different ways of how fishes were catched, according to its kind. And just before the program ends, best performers were rewarded with as much as 100,000 pesos. But more than the performance, this event has equaled the world's famous Dagupan Bangu street dance competition, as a huge crowd flocked together despite the scorching heat of sun. Pag-asa that day, April 6, has recorded a high temperature at 37.5 degrees Celsius, brought about by the easterly warm wind from the Pacific Ocean. However, the hot temperature was remarkably not an issue for the spectators. That afternoon, more crowds have filled the whole main business district of the town as the Kalutan Udalan unveils a much-awaited fun and party. This event witnessed simultaneously here and abroad as local and foreign media focus on the events, where unity, oneness, and success are shown in a symbolic ceremonial lighting of Kalutan Udalan. More than 1,000 kilos of freshwater fishes all together grilled in one spectacular event. The night was filled with more crowd as Kapuso stars dazzled the night with songs and laughter.
Happy Malangsi Festival! Thank you very much sa inyo mga kapuso!
It was truly a never-ending fun to remember, one potential tourist destination of this promising town, Bayambang.